Lesson 11 Spelling Alternatives, introducing A plus UL, spelled UL, AL, and IL. Let's learn. What are our learning goals? I can read and sort words with A plus L, A plus UL, spelled UL, AL, and IL. I can partner read The King's Ghost with purpose and understanding. I can answer questions about key details in the text. I can read and practice spelling words with E, spelled with an I-E. Let's first focus on our skills. We'll look at the vowel code flip book for the A plus O. You will focus on 3 spellings for A, O sound combination. Your sound library has audio files, songs that you can go back and listen to for the pronunciation of these sounds. We have A plus O. So first we're going to look at A plus O spelled UL as in awful. I'm going to take my green and I'm tracing the box and I'm tracing the letters. UL says all, all, awful. If you look at my power bar, that tells us that this is not a common spelling. Next, we have A plus O, all, as in animal. So I will trace the box, and I will trace the letters A, L, and I see that that is more common than the UL, but it's still a little common. Animal, awful. So all of you get a O. And then the last one we're going to learn today is the A plus O, as spelled with an IL, as in pencil. So I'm going to trace the box, and I'm tracing the letters I, L. Power bar tells me that that spelling is not that common. So reviewing my spellings and sounds, I have O as an animal, O as an awful, and O as in pencil. Let's read some words that use these spellings and sounds. So remember, our sound is O. So the first spelling is one you already know, O as in awful. Let's read stressful, helpful, cheerful, wonderful, tactful. Which letter should I circle for the O sound? Did you say UL? You are correct. So I'm going to go through stressful, helpful, cheerful, wonderful, tactful. So all of them, the UL is saying O. Let's look at our next column. The second spelling for O is AL, as an animal. You learned that A can represent the ah sound earlier in this unit. We're going to read the words one at a time. Ready, go. Principle, typical, normal, practical, signal. Which letter should I circle for the all sound? In principle, AL is correct. Typical, AL. Normal, AL. Practical, AL. And signal, AL. The third spelling for all is IL, as in pencil. You have not yet learned that I can stand for ah. Although the I spelling for ah is less common, it is still a sound you should know, as it is used in some useful words you will read. So let's read our words for IL saying oh. Ready, go. Evil, April, devil, fossil, nostril. And which letters to circle for the O sound? In evil, IL. April, IL. Devil, IL. Fossil, IL. And nostril, IL. Good job. Now let's look at our spelling tree. Okay, for our spelling tree, we're going to have an all spelling tree, which we will put leaves on our tree that have the O sound. So remember the new branches, we will have AL, UL, and IL, representing the UL sound. All right, let's go over some of those words that we can put on our tree. Helpful. Which branch would that go under? Correct, UL. Helpful. What about cheerful? UL. Cheerful. Wonderful. UL. Animal. AL. Metal. AL. Total. AL. What about pencil? IL. April. IL. It should be R. And fossil. IL. Great job working on the spelling tree. Let's look at activity page 11.1. On activity page 11.1, the words in the box all contain the sound combination OL. Some of them have the spelling UL, some IL, and some AL. You're going to sort the words according to the spelling used for the OL sound combination, placing each word in the appropriate column. The first one has been done for you. Write the words that have all the AL endings under metal. Write the words that have the UL ending under useful. Write the words that have the IL ending under April. Harmful has been completed for you, is put under UL as in useful. You may check the next video to check your work. Oh, this is a game. So therefore you will have 2 minutes to complete this activity and see if you can beat the clock and get the words sorted within 2 minutes.